This question is from Power Electronics. It says, in the circuit shown in the figure, the diode is ideal. Okay, ideal diode is used, and the figure is this. This is my figure. An ideal diode is there, and a resistive load is there. This value is 100 sine 100 pi t. Okay, this is my input. This is an ideal diode here. This load is 10 ohm. Okay, so the question is the input power factor is. So they are asking what is the input power factor of this particular converter, of this particular circuit. So you see, this is the performance that they are asking. So since this ideal diode is used, what I can say is input power is equal to output power, real power or active power, whatever we say. So input real power is nothing but V input RMS value into I input RMS value, okay, into input power factor into input power factor. So this is something which we need to find. This is nothing but cos theta, as we know, okay, is equal to. Now what is my output power factor? If we see here, my output power factor is nothing but V I square R, also we can write, okay, or we can write V RMS or V output RMS value, okay, V square by R. Okay, this is something that we can write. Now what is input current? Input current is nothing but, I can say input current here, since this is a resistive load, I can directly write this as V input RMS by R. I can write that, sorry, V output RMS, because I input is equal to I output. Okay, I input is equal to I output. So an I output is nothing but V output RMS by R. So that is why I can write this here. Okay. Now from here I can easily calculate my input power factor. So if you calculate and if you find out the values, ultimately what you will get is this will cancel out. So ultimately it will be V output RMS by V input RMS. Okay. Now you see, since this is a diode, okay, we know my input will be, this is my input, my output will be this. Okay, so the RMS value of this particular thing, input value, RMS value is Vmax by, sorry, Vmax by root 2. For this, since this is half of this, so Vm root 2 into 1 by root 2, which is nothing but Vm by 2. Okay. So I can say this as Vm by 2 into Vm by root 2. Okay. So ultimately it is root 2 by 2, which is nothing but 1 by root 2 is 0.707. Okay, and this is my input power factor. Okay, the value is 0.707.